Meet our little angel, Knixia. She has ASD. It's a complex developmental condition that involves persistent challenges in social interaction, speech and nonverbal communication, and repetitive behaviors. The spectrum part of the name is key, because it means that the symptoms and their severity can vary widely from person to person.
This is Niksha, Limor of Niksha. Ang totoong Niksha is my granddaughter. Ayan. Gusto ko lang po sana magpasalamat, taus-pusong pasasalamat para sa TRL Group. Sa lahat ng bumubuo, from co-founder to admins, maraming salamat, especially to Ms. Mayans, Kap Mahal, Gracita, Boss Elise, at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng admins ng TRL. Thank you so much sa pagpili bilang one of your beneficiaries sa aking granddaughter. Maraming salamat, and it was a really big help for us. Sana mas marami pa kayong matulungan, sana mas marami pang blessing ang dumating para mas marami pa kayong matulungan. And I'm also a proud member of TRL. Nakasama ko sa TRL actually. Maraming salamat.
Ako po si Vanessa Joy Singh, isang single parent at mother po ni Nisha Bean, na isang batang mayroong ASD or Autism Spectrum Disorder. Siya po ay kasalukuyang 6 na taong gulang. At nais ko po ay magpasalamat po sa inyo, sa founder, co-founder, at mga members, lahat po ng members ng TRL. Nais ko pong mag-thank you sa inyo, at nawa po ay more blessings po sa inyong lahat. At marami pa po sana kayong matulungan. Ayun po. See you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.